Hello everyone, hello everybody. How are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Wow, guys, look at this guys. This bucket was stuck it on the tree. I wanna take it. Wow, this bucket can we use to find a toy. Wow, guys, look at here. White color. What it is? Wow, an ambulance. Wow, guys. I got an ambulance. So cool. Wow. The door can open. White and red color. Okay guys. Put it on the bucket. Come on. We have to go. We have to go to find any toy. Wow guys. Green color. Wow. Look at this guys. I think this is a box truck. Wow, so cool guys. Amazing. What it now? Put it on the bucket guys. Come on. We need to find any more. Wow, look here guys. Wow, so amazing guys. Blue and white color. Bus police. Wow. Police bus car. So cool guys. Amazing. What it now? Yoo-hoo-hoo. You see something guys? Maybe on the tree or anywhere. Wow, look at here. Yellow color. Wow, so cool guys. I get excavator truck. Wow. Wow, so beautiful guys. I think I want to bring it home. Guys, look at here on the tree, on the plant. Wow, look guys, red color. Yoo-hoo-hoo, red color. Fire rescue truck. Okay, put it on the bucket guys. Yoo-hoo-hoo, wadidaw. Wow guys, what is took here? What is took it here? Wow, white color and blue color chapter guys. Come on, maybe we can get this chapter more in this area. Wow, look at here. Yoo-hoo-hoo, red, orange and blue color guys. Three combination color. Very good. Dump truck. Yoo-hoo-hoo. Wow guys, look at here. Wow, sport car guys. Dinoco sport car. Yellow color and red color combination guys. So cool. Amazing. Wow, I mean you need to come here to find any more guys. Wow, school bus. Wow guys, school bus. Yellow color school bus. Wow, look at here guys. Maybe there's a green color. We can keep it. We keep it. Okay, we keep it. Wow guys, very big city bus guys. Green and white color. Yoo-hoo-hoo, wadidaw. Guys, look at here. This is purple color guys. Double decker, purple color, double decker bus guy. Double decker bus. Wow, so cool guys. Amazing. Wow, look at there. Yoo-hoo-hoo. Here is yellow color guys and blue and red color. Wow, this is little bus. Yoo-hoo-hoo, wadidaw. Very good guys. What it is guys? This one is bicycle with tree wheel. Bicycle with tree wheel. Wow, traditional transportation guys. So cool. And then he come on my bucket guys. How about your bucket? Where is it? Is your bucket fully? Wow, guys, so big, very very big. Wow, this is the container truck, guys. Wow, so cool, guys, amazing. You, wow, guys, look at behind the tree. Wow, police car, guys, police car, white, blue, and red color. You, wadidaw, I'm so happy today because I got very much toy. You can see at my toy in my bucket. You, like this guy, look like this. How about you guys? Did you find any more toy in the jungle? See you.